keeping people
Day and night, in all weather and circumstances, they stand strong, protecting peace, upholding justice, and serving their communities.
Absolutely! The police are the guardians of order, courage, and trust. Their duty requires vigilance, integrity, and a deep commitment to the safety of all citizens.
Their profession demands not just their physical strength, but compassion, empathy, and the ability to take tough decisions under pressure.
Tonight, our young performers bring this dedication and valor to life, showing the discipline, bravery, and teamwork that define the police force.
Buji, keeping people safe seems really challenging. In the earlier societies, there weren't formal police like today. Instead, elders or local guards kept order. They helped settle arguments, made sure everyone followed the community rules, and protected people from danger. How did police forces start?
Cutie! As societies grew bigger and more complex, formal police forces were created. These trained officers learned how to enforce laws, investigate crimes, and keep citizens safe.
That sounds important. I feel modern police forces are very advanced. But what about today? Are they advanced?
They use technology like forensic labs, computer databases, and fast communication systems. Police officers respond to emergencies, prevent crimes before they happen, and try to build trust with the communities they serve. Their job is not only to catch criminals, but also to help people feel safe.
Aha, Buji, I'm sure that in the future, technology will play a bigger role. AI might help predict where crimes could happen, drones could respond quickly to emergencies, and advanced systems could monitor safety more efficiently.
Cutie, but
Humans will always be needed to make important decisions.
show empathy and ensure fairness. Technology will help, but human judgment and ethics will guide the way.
So, the essence of policing is service, protection, and justice, and it continues to evolve with technology.
Exactly! Police officers combine courage, care, and knowledge, using technology to serve and protect society better every day.
But
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our police force of Grade 3 SR, heroes who embody courage, service, and responsibility in every action.
अब तो रुकेंगे अब तो रुकेंगे अब तो डरे नहीं झटक के चलते रास्ते पे है से पहले तू जवाब तो कर ले आज अपनी जिंदगी का हर छोड़ दे जरा जो खड़ा हो असल में विजय मिलता यहाँ पे सम्मान हार के तो बीच राह दे से लगा आज अपनी पूरी जान ऐ जवान सुन इतिहास ना इंसाफ ना इंसाफ ना रुकेंगे रुकेंगे जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया मेरे इशारे पे धन धन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया नासिक के ढोल पे धन धन नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया सारी दुनिया में एक ही फेमस है मुंबई हो या और दिखा तो तुझे मेरा वाला डांस ये है मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचो ये है मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचो मेरा वाला डांस
That was commanding, bold and inspiring performance. Their energy and discipline mirror the determination of real officers on duty.
Indeed, their act captured both the strength and the heart required to protect and serve a community effectively.
Let's all give a strong appreciative round of applause to these young performers, honoring the real-life heroes of our society.
The oceans are vast, deep, and mysterious, but there are those who guard them with courage, strategy, and unwavering commitment. The brave men and women of the Navy.
Absolutely. The Navy represents honor, strength, and dedication. They protect our coast, ensure safe seas, and serve as a shield of nation's maritime boundaries.
Their profession demands skill, discipline, teamwork, and resilience, qualities that safeguard both the waves and the future of countless lives.
Tonight, our young performers embody these sea warriors, bringing to life the stories of courage, sacrifice, and strategic brilliance.
Buji, long ago, people first used small boats for fishing and trading with nearby villages. Humans have always traveled across seas. How did Navy start?
As civilizations grew, they needed larger groups of ships to protect trade routes, explore unknown waters, and defend their lands from enemies. Early sailors didn't have GPS. They navigated using stars, landmarks, the sun, and their own experience on the seas.
Wow! I think modern navies are incredibly powerful and high-tech. And what about navies today?
Cutie! They use advanced ships, submarines, and aircraft carriers. Satellites and radar help them communicate and navigate safely. Navies don't just fight, they also cooperate with other countries respond to natural disasters, and explore the oceans for science and research.
The future is even more exciting. Imagine autonomous ships sailing across oceans, AI helping with navigation, and underwater research stations studying marine life. That's amazing! What will navies be like in the future?
Humans will still be in charge, making important decisions, leading missions, and connecting technology with human judgment, cutie.
So navies are not just about the war, they're about exploration, safety, and innovation.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Navy, guardians of the oceans and protectors of our nation's pride.
Let us all welcome our grade 5 students with a big round of applause.
As the call to duty echoes across the waters, the Indian Navy surges to life, a mighty force ready to dominate, ever vigilant to protect our nation's interests across the vast expanse of the oceans. Indian Navy, waves of power.
सागर के देव को वरुण को नमन हरदम तैयार है, बिल्कुल तैयार है, हरदम तैयार है, बिल्कुल तैयार है, जी जाने से तैयार है, इसलिए तो हम लहरों के पहरेदार हैं। जय भारती, जय भारती, अपने भारत के सारथी, जय भारती, जय भारती, अपने भारत के रग रग में जोश की बूंदे, बूंदों में जीत ही गूंजे, इस गूंज से गिर जाएगा आसमान भी कदमों में। रग रग में जोश की बूंदे, बूंदों में जीत ही गूंजे, इस गूंज से गिर जाएगा आसमान भी कदमों में। रोको ना सपनों के तूफानों को, रोको ना ख्वाबों की उड़ानों को, रोको ना ख्वाबों के निशानों को। आग जैसे बरसा दे ये इरादे, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरे से निकलेंगी चिंगारियां। ओ, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरे से निकलेंगी चिंगारियां। Rest of the warrior, go to the savior, King and the conqueror, King and the Lord.
Indeed, their moves mirrored the discipline, precision, and teamwork of real sailors, reminding us of the commitment required to serve at sea.
Let's give a roaring round of applause to our performers, celebrating their tribute to the bravery and excellence of the Air Force, of the Navy.
They rule the skies with pride, skill, and unwavering dedication, protecting our nation from above and ensuring our safety in the air.
Indeed, the Air Force is not just about the aircraft. It embodies speed, precision, strategy, and valor. Every mission requires courage and meticulous planning.
Their profession stands as a shining symbol of bravery, commitment, and spirit of service, inspiring generations to reach for the skies.
Tonight, our young performers bring the skies to life onto the stage, showcasing the discipline, power, and teamwork that defines the Air Force.
Buji, flying in the skies looks amazing. Humans have always been fascinated by the idea of flying. How did air forces come into existence?
People first experimented with gliders and early aeroplanes, learning how to control them carefully. These early aviators were brave pioneers who used aeroplanes not only to explore the world but also to help in wars.
As countries realized the importance of controlling the skies, they organized air forces to protect their nations, manage airspace, and help in emergencies like natural disasters. Today, air forces are much more advanced. Wow! And how is it today?
They use fighter jets, transport planes, helicopters, and even drones. Pilots and crews train very hard to handle these machines. Technology helps them navigate, communicate, and watch over areas from the sky. Air forces do a lot more than fight. They rescue people, deliver supplies, and carry out important strategic missions.
And what about the future?
In the future, air forces might be even smarter. Pilots and bujis like me will work together, cutie. There could be autonomous planes, fleets of drones, and even spacecraft that help protect the skies and explore space.
So, AI will handle complicated problems, but humans will still make important decisions. This way, flying will be faster, safer, and more efficient. Protecting the skies will become smarter, but human skill will always be important.
Exactly, cutie. Technology can help us, but humans will always guide the way with creativity, courage, and careful thinking.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Air Force, heroes who soar high, guarding the nation with unmatched skill and courage.
Put your hands together for welcoming the students of Grade 5 for our fiery performance.
अदम्य शक्ति एवं शौर्य की पहचान है भारतीय सेना। जल थल गगन की रक्षा का वरदान है भारतीय सेना। हर संकट का समाधान है भारतीय सेना। भारत का गौरव है, स्वाभिमान है भारतीय सेना। दंभ का स्तंभ खंडम तंत्र शूल गाड़ के प्रलयंकारी गति से भिन्न नकेल गगन फाड़ के ज्वाल से बवाल से चल पड़े दहाड़ के भारतीय सेना, भारतीय सेना। कि मोदी ने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक किया था तो इस बार ऐसा कुछ करेगा, तो इसलिए उन्होंने सब वहां पर भी खड़ा कर दिया तामझाम पूरा। इवन अफगानिस्तान की बॉर्डर से भी लाकर के यहाँ रख दिया, इवन बलूचिस्तान में जो है उनको भी लाकर के यहाँ रख दिया। सारे टैंक लगा दिए, राडार लगा दिए, सब लगा दिए। अब हम बजरंगबली की जय करके ऊपर
कहा था, पड़ोस में रहते हैं, गोदे भर का जोर लगा लो, बिगाड़ लो जो बिगाड़ सकते हो। बिगाड़ने का वक्त आ गया है।
Ladies and gentlemen, you are not ready for this.
ना दे दिल परदेसी नूं तैनूं नित दा रोना पै जाऊगा। ना दे दिल परदेसी नूं तैनूं नित दा रोना पै जाऊगा। नाल रजे ते जोगी दे तैनूं जोगन होना पै जाऊगा।
Get ready.
I'm a king, but I pop, I'm a saint. They call me a bad man, that's a good thing. Mama said swing back when another man swings, so I make my mama proud and they make their hands ring. Father forgive me, I can forgive them. You know my history, know what I did now. And what I do now, a whole lot worse. Heavy is the head, it's a blessing and a curse.
घायल हूं, इसलिए घातक हूं।
Watching their performance was like witnessing eagles soar gracefully and powerfully through the clouds.
They carried the might, precision, and dignity of real Air Force officers, leaving us inspired and in awe.
Let's give a loud and a notch-stick round of applause to these performers, honoring their tribute to the bravery and excellence of the Air Force.
Soldiers do not just wear uniforms, they carry the strength, courage, and responsibility of an entire nation on their shoulders.
Absolutely! The army stands tall and unwavering, guarding every border, protecting every citizen, and defending every dream that belongs to the country.
Their profession is built on discipline, manners, sacrifice, and a commitment to serve with integrity, often putting duty above personal comforts.
Tonight, our young performers pay tribute to these brave heroes, showcasing their valor, teamwork, and dedication through a powerful act.
Buji, saving people seems so important. Defense has always been important. Recently, I studied in areas humans made small groups to defend their families and villages from dangers. Who first organized armies?
You are right, cutie. Over time, larger armies were organized to protect cities, kingdoms, and entire nations. Early soldiers used simple weapons like spears and bows, learning strategies by watching nature and through experience.
Wow! As societies grew, armies became more organized. Is it? And how did armies evolve over time?
Soldiers trained hard, followed discipline, and learned clever strategies. Technology changed everything. Swords gave way to guns, catapults became cannons, and later came tanks, aeroplanes, and advanced equipment. Soldiers also became specialists like medics, engineers, and intelligent experts, all working together as a team.
That sounds exciting. Today's armies do a lot more than fighting. They protect borders, help maintain peace, respond to natural disasters, and support humanitarian missions around the world. What do armies do today?
Cutie! High-tech tools like drones, satellites, and advanced communication systems make them more effective and safer while serving people.
And what will armies look like in the future?
The future of armies is fascinating. AI will help plan strategies, robots like me and autonomous vehicles will handle dangerous tasks, and soldiers will focus on teamwork, decision making, and keeping peace. Technology will take care of high-risk jobs, letting humans work smarter and safer while protecting others.
So the army is evolving, but courage, teamwork, and dedication remain at the heart of it.
Exactly, Cutie. No matter how armies change, the bravery and commitment of the people who serve will always shine through.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our Indian Army of Grade 5 RR, guardians of our land, symbols of courage, pride, and patriotism.
నీకు కరెక్ట్ మొగుడు దిగాడు. తొక్కి పడడానికి రెడీ ఉన్నాను. కుదిరితే దాసుకోండి. బాడీలు కూడా లెక్క పెట్టుకోవడానికి ఎవ్వడు మిగిలిన soldier. And this game is so wicked than the danger. Better spilling over, killing on the radar. This is your main name of a rock disaster. After all, so I couldn't be. I'm gonna look you like you out to the day. I love to fight to get there. I
Indian Air Force's fighter planes were ready. Scalp cruise missiles, hammer precision bombs, and kamikaze drones were ready. For the last 12 days, in a secret control room commanded by NSA Chief Ajit Doval, a special team of defense forces was planning, completely focused on gathering precise intelligence on terrorist camps within Pakistan and POK. 2 weeks ago, the bloody terrorists had said, "Go tell Modi."
तो जाके मोदी को बता।
The Prime Minister's message was clear.
देश की बेटियों की सिंदूर की कीमत तुम्हें चुकानी होगी पाकिस्तान।
A mission to avenge and get justice for the Indian women who lost their husbands in the deadly Pahalgam terror attack. Operation Sindoor, a unique tri-services operation of the Air, Navy,
Let's go.
జీవితంలో ఎలాగైనా బతకచ్చు, కానీ నిజాయితీగా ధైర్యంగా దేశం కోసం బతకడం అనేది అల్టిమేట్ లివింగ్. సర్వ్ ద పీపుల్, డై ఫర్ ద కంట్రీ, లివ్ లైక్ ఎ లెజెండ్. మేరా భారత
है लहू में एक चिंगारी, सिद से जुनून तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा मैं लड़ जाना, है लहू में एक चिंगारी, सिद से जुनून तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा।
మేజర్ సంకేత్, ఇప్పుడు మీరు చేయబోయే మిషన్ చాలా ప్రమాదకరమైనది. మీకేం భయం లేదా?
నాది ఒకటే కోరిక సార్, చావు నా ఎదురుగా ఉన్నప్పుడు నా కళ్ళలో వేరుకుండకూడదు, నా మూతి మీద చిరునవ్వు ఉండాలి, నా చేయి నా మీసం మీద ఉండాలి సార్.
मैं कर्नल सोफिया कुरैशी और मेरे साथ विंग कमांडर व्योमिका सिंह आज आपको 6 से 7 मई 2025 की रात 1:05 से 1:30 बजे के बीच भारतीय सशस्त्र बलों द्वारा अंजाम दिए गए ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बारे में जानकारी देंगे।
That was truly a salute to the spirit of pride and bravery. Every move, every gesture reflected on a soldier's dedication towards protecting his country.
Indeed, their performance reminded us of the strength, resilience, and power a true leader holds, reminding us of the sacrifices a soldier makes for our nation.
Let us all give a huge round of applause to our young patriots celebrating the heroes of our Indian Army.
Music in India is not just entertainment, it is heritage, devotion, and discipline passed down through generations.
From the soulful strains of the Carnatic and Hindustani to the vibrant folk traditions, music has always been a crucial part of learning and living.
Great masters remind us that Indian classical music was built on years of riyas, patience, and purity of expressions.
Nowadays, these traditions offer career options such as vocalists, instrumentalists, composers, researchers, and music gurus.
At the same time, music has evolved with time.
Modern music opens doors to professions such as DJing, sound engineering, music production, and individual artists.
Technology has given young musicians new stages, streaming platforms, social media, and international collaborations.
Yet, whether it's classical or modern, these qualities remain constant. Passion, practice, and perseverance.
Music teaches discipline like a classroom and freedom like a dream. So let us honor the past, embrace the present, and inspire the future through music.
Hello, mic check.
Buji, we have spoken about many careers, but music feels special to me. I know history of it, and I will answer to you. Music touches the heart, not just the mind. Were musicians important in olden days too?
Yes, cutie. Musicians are one of the oldest professionals in history.
In ancient India, music was part of life in temples, homes and celebrations. Instruments like the veena, flute and tabla carried our culture from one generation to another. Music was learned with devotion through the Guru Shishya tradition.
You got it? Music was a way of life.
As time changed, musicians adapted. They performed on stages, in movies, on radio and television. Their music reached people across countries and languages, spreading joy and unity.
Technology helped music travel faster.
Today, musicians use keyboards, guitars, studios and digital tools. But still, music begins in the heart. No machine can replace emotions, dedication and practice.
That's true, cutie. Emotion gives meaning to music.
And in the future, even with AI and advanced technology, musicians must remember their roots. Indian values, discipline and respect for art will guide them forward.
Yes, roots give strength to the future.
Music teaches us harmony, peace and happiness. It reminds us to live kindly and spread joy. Dear audience, let us respect musicians who connect our past, present and future through their art.
Of course, music will always belong to humanity.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for a beautiful presentation. Music from tradition to tomorrow.
Hello.
Mic check.
Let's switch to Indian style.
No